19 millimeter socket. We're going to take the lug nuts out, and these are studs. So when you get to the last one, you're going to have to hold the tire. I'm going to set these aside. So the last one, spin it so it's on the bottom. Just grab the tire and lift it off. Gonna add some penetrating spray to help this along. 18 millimeter socket. I'm gonna loosen these up, and then I'll probably end up going to use the Chocks bit to take that off. And the Chocks bit is a T40. Grab the link, take it off the top first, and the bottom. Now we're going to reinstall the link. I'm going to put the top one through first, then the bottom one. There we go. Put the nuts on. Quick little note. See how the nut looks oval? That is supposed to look like that. That is called a locking nut. It's bent like that so that when it goes on, it actually squeezes the threads in. So the links come with a little hex head on the back. So the wrench fits in there and holds it, so you don't have to use the Chocks bit in the center. That's an 18 millimeter, and the socket nut is an 18 millimeter. So we're going to snug them up. And then we're going to go to the top and do the same. Sway bar link nut torque is 59 foot-pounds. Remount the tire, line up the stud holes, hold it, and start one by hand. Might have to wiggle this around to center the first one, thread it on there, get one more on the top, do the same. Then I'm going to take my socket and just snug them up. Now I can put the other three. 19 millimeter, we're going to torque the wheel. Torque specs is 81 foot-pounds. Do it in a star pattern. Double check.